Hey, Ollie from Ocean Discs. We're going to be testing out some brand new discs that arrived. This is our prototype lightweight plastic that's not lightweight, so we're going to figure that out. We've got our new Aqua Atlantic, Swirly Atlantic. We have a brand new prototype Arctic. This is supposed to be a bit more stiffer and rigid plastic. We've got our brand new Swirly Pacific, what everyone's been asking for. And we've got some 3D printed disc number 2 coming in 2025. So let's throw them. I've been told that this one's a little bit more understable, so let's find out. Definitely has a bit more turn to it. Swirly Atlantic. Bit more stable. Nice. I've got the baseline Ceto in my bag at the moment, and I'm looking for something a bit more stable that's going to be a bit more of a complement to the baseline bag. Arctic. Yes. That is exactly what I wanted. For me, it pushes a bit further than the Atlantic, but still has that dependable fade at the end. Swirly Pacific. Hey. 3D printed discs here. I'm going to try not to cut my hand. Black one's 130 grams, rock solid, no flexibility at all. And those are the new discs. Thanks for watching. See you soon.